Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2023 Kubota BX23S. So, this tractor has 160 hours on it. It is a 2023. The warranty just started on this tractor, I think 10/17 of 23. This was out of a dealer's demo or demonstrated fleet of equipment. I was lucky enough to purchase it. It has a full warranty on this. 2-year bumper-to-bumper start date is in the ad. And then Powertrain on this, I think, was till 2020. 2099?
Yeah,
6 years.
29.
2099. So Powertrain warranty until then. LA 340 quick attach front loader, R4 tires, BT 603 or what is that? BT 603 backhoe attachment, 12-inch bucket. Very nice tractor. Again, it is a 2023. It does have full warranty on it. We're going to start here under the hood. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. Again, this was out of their demo fleet that they would actually put out as demonstrator, or they could rent it to somebody to try out before they purchased one. Boy, that wind is cold. Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. We did do a full and complete service on this tractor so that it was taken care of. We like to do that here so that our equipment is taken care of before it goes out the door. We like to know what we have. So it is fully serviced, all OEM Kubota filters and oils. It's done, taken care of. Hood's nice shape. There's a couple of scratches on it. Grill guard protector up front. This is the LA 340 Swift Attach Loader, 48-inch bucket with bolt-on cutting edge, R4 tire package on it. Again, BT 603 backhoe attachment on the back, subframe mount style. So a real quick thing on these BX tractors. If you want one, the common question we get every day, hey, can I put a backhoe attachment on my BX2380 that I'm looking at purchasing from you? No. The answer is no. Kubota builds these tractors. BX25Ds were a tractor loader backhoe package. Obviously the backhoe comes off. You can still run the same belly mower deck under them and other implements. It's just these are set up a little different with the backhoe. Same with the 23S. You have to buy the backhoe package in order to have that backhoe. So if you're thinking about buying a backhoe attachment, you need to buy a backhoe attachment with the tractor when you're purchasing. 12-inch bucket, excellent condition. Joystick controls. We're going to take it right up here to the dash. 160 hours. Tractor. On these seats, you are going to pull this quick latch right here. You'll bring the seat up. It is going to turn around in this direction, cam over, and it is going to latch in place. Okay? And your exact opposite operation to take that back down. Pull the handle up. You're going to spin this around. Just like so, and you are going to relatch. That's all there is to that. Now, I'm going to go ahead at this time. I'm going to start this tractor up. We're going to run it around. It does everything it's supposed to do. You will see here, you have your selection on PTO. Rear, mid and rear, or mid, PTO in and out. Brake, up and down if you have a 3-point hitch kit installed. 4-wheel drive, in and out, high low range, joystick loader control, throttle, and your throttle pedal for forward and reverse. We're going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run around and shit does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So we'll start out low range, full drive on. Full drive out. So, reverse and forward. We're all in low range. Love my little Kubota tractors. An excellent tractor. Good to get fired in. Very user friendly. Excellent resale value. Very easy to work on and service. Again, I love stuff like this. Notice the deal with demo tractors. Still I like stuff like this. It's a nice pretty product, makes a nice piece for our customers, and let's face it, saves somebody some money. These little tractors are not bashful. So we're going to go ahead here. Going to flip the seat over, lock it in place. Hey, I am a bigger guy, but I can hop up on here without much of a problem. Boom locking pin is here in place. Go ahead and take that out. Swing pin, we're going to take that out. Itself up with no problem whatsoever. Very nice, smooth hydraulics. Pick itself right up, swings itself left or right. What you want to see. Go ahead and pick itself back up. 4 Outriggers up. Again, we've serviced this, cleaned, greased it. It is ready to go. All new Kubota OEM filters. So, go ahead, we're going to put the swing lock pin back in. Trigger drops in. Go ahead and put the pin locking pin in. Done and taken care of. Now, all you're going to do, you step right back down off there. Realize I dropped my camera or my microphone. Fellas, there you have it. So, some things I was saying when I dropped my camera or my mic on the floor there. So, tractor loader backhoe picks itself up. Very, very nice little tractors. I've sold a lot of these tractors over the years. Very, very nice. They work very well. The 23S, the 25D, very universal tractor, what you can do. If you need a mower deck, I do have some like new mower decks here we can put underneath this as an additional charge. Let us know. I'd be glad to quote you on that. Please understand the full warranty started on 10, I believe it was 17, but we do have it in the ad. And this will have that a 6-year powertrain warranty also. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Let us know if we can help you in any way. If you need trucking quote, whatever you might need, we'll be glad to help you. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.